How to change background color on IG story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change background color on IG stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the background color on your Instagram story, you open up the Instagram app, just go to the Your Story tab. Now just choose any photo over here. This is not the photo we want to upload, so you can just choose any photo or even take a random photo here, right? So this is a random photo. Now this is not the photo we want to upload. This is the photo we'll convert into a background color, right? So tap on the three dots option, then just tap on draw. Select any color from the bottom of the screen. So if you want a yellow color, select yellow. If you want a green color, select green. Once you select green, you'll find the color of selection in this little pen icon. Now just long press on this story, and now there we have just chose our background color. Now hit the arrow button from the top right. Now we've added our background color. How do we add image? Because the image we added earlier is now a background, right? So to add an image, just tap on the sticker icon from here. So when you tap on sticker, there's a certain sticker that will allow you to add a photo, so which is look like this plus icon here. So tap on that. Now you can select a custom photo here, and then you can simply go ahead and resize it and just drag it. Now one thing here, if you tap on it, you can also choose to change the size of this story. Now you can add as much picture as you want by tapping the sticker icon, tapping the plus button, and adding another image as well if that is what you actually want. And this way you can change the background color of IG story. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.